Today's lesson is comparative adjectives. What is a comparative adjective? A comparative adjective is an adjective used to compare two people or things. Game instructions. 1. Look and compare the given pictures. 2. Answer the questions by using comparing adjectives. The group that has the most points will win the game. Pay attention. Let's start. Which is hotter? Sun or lava? The answer is the sun is hotter than the lava. Which is bigger? Russia or Canada? The answer is Russia is bigger than Canada. Which is smaller? Ant or mosquito? The answer is a mosquito is smaller than an ant. Which is heavier? Blue whale or elephant? The answer is a blue whale is heavier than an elephant.
Which is more expensive? Jet or sports car?
The answer is
a jet is more expensive than a sports car. Which is slower? Snail or turtle?
The answer is
a snail is slower than a turtle. Which is faster? Cheetah or jaguar?
The answer is
a cheetah is faster than a jaguar. Which is taller? Giraffe or camel?
The answer is
a giraffe is taller than a camel. Which is shorter? Gibbon or gorilla?
The answer is
a gibbon is shorter than a gorilla. Which is higher? Burj Khalifa or Petronas Towers?
The answer is
the Burj Khalifa is higher than the Petronas Towers.